bafowethu sesiphakathi kulukutu we people's train istimela sabantu bafowethu la istima si clean wonke umuntu la serious akuphathwe amanzi akuthengiswa even nama camera kuthiwa hey awushebile akunabutsotsi is safe istimela sabantu
Aring Amstel Arena tonight, the cheapest price ever, 10 rand return. Bafana Mamel, Trinena is clean, Harijel Kamona guys. Li camera di tembo tsotsi, pa! Rautara. Hey.
Istimela sabantu.
Hela.
Hey kumnandi ngaphatha message.
Ungile league.
Message. Phi ugcine ngekuthi never say never. Kesu Kimani oliftile Betway Cup. Kima. Sese kusho wena ukuthi ubani othethe ucaptain weParis oqukule icup ubani.
Watsa refile team sele league.
Message Kimani mfati bitso la captain onkile wafuwa matla ore hey phakamisa cup. Kimani ngifuna ukuthi lento never say never.
Erepelo ko fa le bitso mpeketse so.
Oh.
Congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Congratulations to Sibisi. Run away.
And apologize to Sibisi.
What's about Sibisi ne? Ajani mfetu noka enka league. Why are you sooner? Why are you sooner?
The happiness. You can do anything you want.
I get a penny sentele.
The happiness
is sooner.
Message mfowethu ngizwe niyakhala bafowethu nami ngingakunena. Peterson bafana bafana idlala nje namhlanje
wabona yena ngobile
Peterson
yeye ngobile phelo. I don't know why Peterson asesquadini.
Mhlawumbe ngoba lo goalkeeper amreplaceile udlala position number 12 wena mhlambe bawutimelele opportunity ngoba uposition number 3.
How comes position 3 brajwa ga re buka? How comes ha re bua ka di saves no Peterson ke number 1 among all those goalkeepers. Okay, we understand the clean sheets are China, he deserves to be there. Ronald Williams, confidence here high, experience here high, he deserves to be there. What about Goss? Goss over Peterson. After Kikala Bonaga, hard working is nothing to your boss.
Message, don't cry, my brother. Don't cry. Mo lefazini mfowethu izinto ziyenzeka. Khona ndo asikhuthaze ma players arena ukuthi i-friendly game ya today. I think this is going to be a final friendly game. Sekuyahanjwa manje. This is the last preparation for our national team.
Aribuye magwa hlokomela hore country is divided now. Do you realize country? When I'm about to fella basentse ba ithuta pina Mexico no. Anthem, national anthem.
Even kerekeni mfowethu ma Christians sometimes are divided. Kerekeni no. Bakhona abebe welcome a pope, kukhona bebe hana welcome a pope. Mugoli fati into say is a fita
but here we are talking about national team. We are talking about Bafana South Africa. We must be one. If Ntate you are a Christian umupoloswa bapoloswa bakopane o Saint John bakopane habo mo South Africa ha re kopane ke utlwe masanza ke Mexico
are support team yarona country arena message kaufela the supporters za Kaizer Chiefs because kizona ezihlule buhluku siyazi ukuthi nikhathazeke kakhulu futhi I know message ukuthi enye igeneration bulane kakhulu ama players aphume kuOrlando Pirates Football Club mangapi 8
ngingaba busy kabanze
kemala 8 ake sibale Moremi Apolis Makhopa Sibisi Mbata Sipho Shane Mfukeng mafelelo
ereko jetse hore yeah Orlando Pirates is playing good football bankile league all those players they deserve to be there. Akehani, Mamelodi Sundowns, Etswanka Kef, all those players, they also deserve to be there. Let's talk about this thing. Otobonore, Coachy Yarona ya Bafana. I don't wanna lie, the guy hates Kaizer Chiefs. That's all. Even if we're now Udimele, the guy hates Kaizer Chiefs. Look at this. Winkile 4 players start Kaizer Chiefs. Preliminary squad. Aftanka 1 because Kimulungo. Haona Mulungu ajira mali. Umungetse fela ore. Ajwa bon. 3 players. Why choosing those people over Isako, Haulo announcer, the final squad at the end of the day? Habai. Why embarrassment here? Those people were faking laughs. Wabona bakwati man.
Message amaphutha into zasemhlabeni ezulwini awekho amaphutha mfowethu kodwa engakwesingaguquzela namhlanje we are one rainbow nation.
But we are one. But let's talk about this thing. How divided the county. Because this thing is not good. Kaizer Chiefs, 3 of them. Hagetoba Dropper just like that. Other clubs 1. While Sanka others just to motivate them. Why 3 and over Dropper and again? How na mutasa winga Peterson? Orlando Pirates or Mamelodi Sundowns so favor rugby or netball. All those people are talking about Peterson.
Ngiyakuzwa ubuhlungu bakho messenger mfowethu kodwa ke njengane umuntu kaNkulunkulu awuthi ngivala amehlo mfowethu ngikhulekele inkinga obhekene nawo
no
ukhathazekile
sorry but ngase kapelelo ke Pirates
ngikukhathazekile
mngani ngase kapelelo ke umuntu Pirates
uyawuthenga umkhuleko mngani wami siye kulempi sesiso sibambisene mfowethu uma sizwe yempini sisahlukene kanje mfowethu izitha zongena phakathi kwethu kodwa ingawo ngithi ake ngiqale uNkulunkulu ngokucelela mfowethu ngoba kuyabonakala basesizofika eOrlando labafana sifisa basibonise entertaining football into esidume ngazo eMzansi amatsama yamashibobo ukuthi bazofika basirepresente kanjani eMexico mfowethu labafana ba eMexico mfowethu World Cup
just Orlando Pirates. Tell me how you feel about Peterson being dropped. Just be honest. If Otabile, just say it. If you are not, just say. Orlando Pirates.
Message for my selecting. Abo goalkeeper abeza osmela eMexico. Bengifake uSipho Shane 1. Ngathi number 2 ngihamba ngokwe league kumele ngikucacise ekhaya ukuthi my selection for goalkeepers viewers at home bokuhamba ngokwe league Betway Premier League i1 bokuSipho Shane to represent the country, i2 uRonnie Williams to represent the country, i3 kuPeterson. Orlando Pirates position number 1, Mamelodi Sundowns position number 2, and Kaizer Chiefs position number 3.
Allow me to talk, Linda. Thank you so much for selecting Peterson. We are talking about African champions.
Yeah.
Only South Africa. Yeah. Number 1 African champions. Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Ronald Williams. Lali Monanza consider. Also tiba a very crucial penalty. Rebuaka staging Saudi. That's why Nike Mala number 1. Sipho Shane. O defend to a very good defense. Kibuaka Sema and CBs. What a defense Pirates and Leon. But Arabueka the saves. China has saved a lot of shot on target. It was a goal. Shot on target. Who twisted the defense. That's why I put him number 3. And I put Peterson number 2. Peterson, Kaizer Chiefs is the reason. Peterson is the reason why Kaizer Chiefs. No. So Ntate, congratulations, Mamelodi Sundowns. Sute watsamaya.
Mawubona Parisi ujafasi. Mawubona Shane ujafasi. Mawubona Ngwanasise Jaiva kamunandi uyarola. Supe gyasama. Ave utsabini na.
Rebina ka Sundowns.
Mngani wami wena ne Sundowns bona mngani wami message wena ne Sundowns niku same WhatsApp group masikhuluma la ku Betway ku Premier League sikhuluma ngePirates neDurban City only kodwa mase sifaka eAfrica futhi masifaka bo Alahi sifaka bo Tipi Mazembe sifaka bo bantu kanjani masibafake bonke kodwa masikhuluma ngena ekhaya wena ne Sundowns ungabe walithi mngani wami wena ne Sundowns nike same WhatsApp group anina lutho anina lutho mfowethu iSundowns ina pick up la ku Premier League ina pick up la ku Premier League
hayiyo but
yabona
ine concentrate lento ntsesika
but kodwa vuma ukuthi nina ne Sundowns nike same WhatsApp group anina lutho bafowethu.
Are you keeping the coach?
Yes. The season yokuqala nekuyamathomo le season yakhothi usena 3 cups. This is unbelievable in hit a team in enomlando iOrlando Pirates Football Club. Esemnyama ngekhathi kama captain mhlaba masipala sophezulu.
Wabona Sundowns le file team e for sides in league. Ha re robale. We are not sleeping. Ka training ka mon. Oh, bentse ba re fela CBC wingile.
Au.
Le file team emphasize wabana Sundowns le forcitse ka gore you don't need support ka re change of plans message ona ga ke fetoa fela wap Pirates
message ngizobuza wena kubuze ne Sundowns yakho it's only one kuno president bowazi qala ukuthi ema players sokunabo president uyayazi president yePirates president
yama 2K yesinya account
ku Sundowns ikhona nalo nto njenganalo yepresident yama 2K mfowethu ikhona ayikho
ene mufuke ngathi bo uwetsa batho ba handle jolo ka ga maphosa ba 2K kana re sukudisa
bathi ngana bathu ave mnandenda bathu mfundo vilakazi lapha eNashurena amatrainer kinina 2K ngimfukeni ashayinto zakhe kinina mfukeni yazi izinto abazezathabisa mfowethu ukuthi nama players athandaza umfuke
ize phoso eholo jo way sebile ba re vila mfundo ntotse mna di vila ka ana sa ke mufuke
ma trainer la phela tshuna uzbiza umfuke
utse ba vila kasi
ya uhambe ukuthi kinina mfukeni
eNashurena jo way ha uzokopana le mufuke guys Areng Amstel Arena are shebeng bafana tonight it's happening South
only
Africa
only 10 rand bafowethu only 10 rand return wakwazi into njalo 5 rand ukuya 5 rand ukubuya is unbelievable hawen bafana hawen
Kaizer Chiefs ake supporting bafana ngiyatseba le bodloko mara ake supporting bafana
mapakaniya iarena fill up iarena kule game ya Vandag bathi Rainbow Nation dizanda bafana